ang airport na nakatamo, mabuhay. Yung minta Hawaii, yung Hawaiano, mag-welcome ng Hawaiian dance. Pero itamo po na minta ng foreigner, ikinatamo ng bansa, we usually say mabuhay. Okay? So we wish life to one another, mabuhay. At ikinatamo stay safe, prayer meeting ini, at suya yung na ni pagkabuhay ng Panginoon. Nabilahon, yung kagayang tinalda, dinededit ang resurrection. Sabi ko Ernest, yung pagpulit ng resurrection. Uling mabuhay, pag masusyang na mo yung biye, apikaroon na apirata mo ng dino at simbut na, kapamilatan ng kanyang resurrection. Magdala yung biye ganap, biye masaya. Biye, numari pabibigyan na among katutuan, biye, numari makayunin na among karing kalupan na among tao. Yakin na nga ng gospel reading natin, awin tanaman, di kayong kanapos sa So, bakit makabaldugan niya aming biye tao, potang makatayo sila ang mga Kristo, at potang makatao maging member at member. Yan sa kasambing ng maging member na kayo ng Arthur's and Youth Ministry, BYM, Red Lights, and Pamilya Singles, the Youth for Christ at may pang youth group. Baka yung tamo higmentong at mentong. Imbiya tamo, baka yung neya na rin aliwa. Yan pinitamo ng kailangan kaya Mabilo Archdiocese, we are connected with one another. Imbiya tamo, kaya magdilidili. Konektado yung kanyang aliwa. Konektado yung kanyang family tao. Konektado yung kanyang brothers and sisters tao. Kanyang vicary, kanyang parish. Kaya mabilo ka Pampanga, itay-itay tamo. Niya, minintay sa iyo, meron niyang paranan. Bangga kayang malawak, yung pandalawin tamo, tingyan tao. Kaya mitang pamilya, we have the parish, we have the vicary, we have the Archdiocese, and we have the world with us. Nabiling they say, meron yung paralan. Prayer can make us one in Christ. So, yung sikreto na ng biya mga bandugan at mabuha, at sige ang tayo-tayo tao ng meron at meron. So, youth group, kabibilangan tao, gawa ng masikat, gawa ng matatag, gawa ng makulit, ang bol, masanting at masaya in Vietnam. So take this TSA gathering as an opportunity to be connected with one another, to be connected with Christ, and to be connected with one another. Bali yun yung kailangan, your youthful age is a very important stage in your life. Pero kailangan to grow up to maturity in Christ, kailangan tayo Kristo. At kailangan tayo meron at meron. One time maging meron tata, sinabi ng kailang anak, ipot may maragulabat ng iyan na anak. At sabi na ng anak, o masyado kong maragulin ng bato, kaya buwan. Agyume yan na anak, gawa kang paralan, ipot may batong yan. So, tinry nita ka na, itang batong maragul. He tried to lift it up, but they did not do it. Masyadong maruling bato. And the second time, sabi ng anak ng tatang, Dad, I cannot move this stone. It's too big for me. You can do it, ng tatang. So, bilikanan pa si Barney ng anak. Itang bato kita. At tatry na i-lift up. And you. Until finally, sabi na niya ng anak, Dad, I surrender na. Ika naman to na kaya dapat mag-surrender. Nandun po ba makatalakan lele mo? Kaya bukubuling ako ng asawa. So, kita ang kadwa, what day pa ito yan, we can do it together. So, yung message na nila, you can do nothing without me. And everything we can do so many things, and we can do a lot of miracles. Nung kaya ben ay ginom at nung kaya ben ay meron at meron. So this is one message, puri ko isipang tao, sa puso natin, sa ating tayo sa prayer meeting, ng lahat ng bagay magagawa natin kapag kasama natin ang Panginoon. At lahat ng bagay magagawa natin kapag kasama natin ang bawat kasama. So, this is my wish. Ako nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos ngayon dahil ang birthday ko. I'm already 55 years old. I was born May 25, 1956. At sa darating na May 28, 28 years na akong pare. At alam ba ninyo na nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil buhay pa ako ngayon. Because 11 years ago, I had my triple bypass operation. I was rushed to the hospital, di ako makahinga. So, until sabi ng aposento, dalhin na yung heart center para ma-opera na ako. When I was operated, triple bypass heart operation, I was, dinala ko sa operating room ng 8:30 ng umaga and I woke up 6 p.m. Hindi pa naman nangyari doon, literally, more than 10 hours, I was dead. So when I was recuperating, ang hiling ko sa Panginoon is to give me another 44 years of life. So sabi ko noon, I was then 44 years old, and I asked God to give me another 44 years. Then I realized after 11 years, yan naman pala maulaga, if I will reach 88 years, it's not that important. Namiras ko pang 88. Importante pala habang pamiyenta mo, masaya ka, mababakalo, makasuyo ka, makagawa ang mayak. So, ini siguro yung challenge sa mga message na rin kaya ng ngayon. It's not how long you live, but how you live. It's the quality of your life. And they say, and youth ministry is one way that you can make your life meaningful, happy. So make the most of it, and magkabang-kaba at yung kamakailang youthful stage. We have to grow mature. Mag-mature na dati na ito, magsama kayo, maging professional kayo, and hopefully, some of you will become priests, like Father Rafael and I. Sana din mag-padre kayo, sana din maging patient brother kayo, at sana, many of you will serve the Lord. If not, well, I wish you a happy married life, a successful professional life. So, mabuhay tayo na